Pwede ba yung I don't want to answer your question? Next, I don't want to answer your question. Last, I don't want to answer your question. Ganun ba yung gusto nyo maging presidente? Naalala ko tuloy yung napanood kong video ni Banat Baybayon nung pinagkumpara niya yung way of talking or delivering speeches si Sara Duterte at si President Bongbong Marcos. Napanood niyo ba yun? Nung sinabi ni Banat Bay na kapag si Sara daw ang nagsalita, ang linaw-linaw. Samantalang every time na maririnig niya si Bongbong Marcos mag-speech, para daw bangag.
Si Bibi Sara Duterte nagsasalita, malinaw. Excuse me po, sorry. Totoo naman po, di ba? Pag si Bibi Sara, napakalinaw ho ng kanyang pananalita. Pero, hindi ko alam, tinitingnan ko yung speech ni Marcos. Parang speech ng isang bangag.
Kawawa naman itong mga tao ito, no? Kahit nakitang-kita natin ang kaibahan ng pananalita ni Bongbong Marcos kay Sara Duterte, talagang ipagtatanggol pa nila yung kanilang idolo. Sa bagay, ganun po talaga. Kung sino ang sinusuportahan nyo, kahit na alam nyong mali, ipagtatanggol ninyo. Kapag nag-i-speech daw si President Bongbong Marcos, parang bangag.
Our foreign policy has always been to encourage peace and to foster cooperation, whilst also ensuring that international law is faithfully complied with and permeates all facets of relations amongst nations. For it is only through a rules-based international order that peace and development can be achieved. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it is a sense of fulfillment and pride that I share the Philippines' economic performance in 2024, despite domestic headwinds and geopolitical tensions. So you will excuse me if I...
Siyempre, hindi po mawawala yung salitang bangag dito sa mga DDS na to. Kamustahin naman natin si Sara Duterte. Natandaan niyo yung interview kay Sara Duterte after nung first SONA ng ating presidente. I'm sure napanood nyo na yun. Kaya nga sumikat yung mga salitang itok, atok, I took, o whatever took na yan, di ba?
Ma'am, Vice President, could you just give us your thoughts on the State of the Nation address?
The State of the Nation of President Marcos. I think everyone or many of those who do not understand economic numbers were overwhelmed with the numbers in the first part of the speech. That was, I think, the reason why it took a long time for people to start clapping, because the economic part was in the beginning, and many people really do not understand economic numbers.
Tapos isa pa, sa isang hearing, tinanong si VP Sara kung alam niya ba yung proyekto ng Wi-Fi.
Is the good Vice President familiar with the public Wi-Fi program?
Madam Chair, yes, it is under the admin. That's not a time out. Madam Chair, Yusek Mempin will answer the question.
Hindi ba kitang-kita natin na parang nag-buffering si Sara Duterte? Blanco! In the end, anong sabi niya? Mr. So-and-so will answer the question. O, tapos ito pa, yung bagong kumakalat na video ni Sara Duterte. Panoorin po natin.
Said he has nothing to do with the impeachment.
I do not want to answer that question. Next.
Ma'am, confirm po ba na si dating Pangulong Duterte isa sa mga abogado niyo para sa impeachment?
I do not want to answer that question. Yes, ma'am.
Nakikita niyo po ba na may hahalin tulad ng sitwasyon na ng bansa sa 1984 ni George Owen?
I do not want to answer that question. Last.
Last question.
Ma'am, naniniwala po ba kayo na may gumagalaw po, may gumalaw po for the impeachment? May gumalaw po na parang money?
I do not want to answer that question.
O ayan, nung una akala ko AI lang ito. Kasi mukha siyang AI eh. Pero, kung totoo man ito, ang tanong, bakit walang maisagot si Sara Duterte? May una ng tanong, ayaw niyang sagutin. Pangalawang tanong, ayaw niyang sagutin. Pangatlong tanong, ayaw pa rin niyang sagutin. Umabot ba sa apat na nagtanong na lahat ayaw niyang sagutin? Bakit pa siya nagpa-press con kung ayaw naman niyang sumagot sa mga katanungan? Kung ito ang maging presidente ninyo at siya ay maimbitahan sa ibang bansa at biglang siya ay ma-ambush interview, pwede ba yung I don't want to answer your question? Next, I don't want to answer your question. Last, I don't want to answer your question. Ganun ba yung gusto nyo maging presidente? O kung sasagot man siya, pwede ba yung itok, atok, atok? Kayo po, ano ang masasabi nyo?